Oakland, which still has a long ways to go, but has increased its road score by 9 points in 1 year.
Weather has a big impact on pavement quality, particularly when cracks form and water gets in there, then the deterioration speeds up.
At the bottom of the list with the worst roads in the Bay Area, Pacifica, followed by Petaluma, Sebastopol, Napa County, and Vallejo. The MTC would like to bring the regional average score into the mid-80s, which is a state of good repairs. Marty Schaefer, KCBS.
They may have finished third in their division, but man, those Philadelphia Phillies are playing some good baseball right now. We'll have sports in just 2 minutes.
Doug Andrew here. Learn how to make money safely with little to no downside risk. Join us for one of 5 Retire by Design workshops. We're coming to teach these free workshops in Morgan Hill, Palo Alto, Dublin, Alamo, and Sacramento, Wednesday through Friday, November 9th through 11th. Call now to register and get details. 1-888-261-8181. 1-888-261-8181. That's 1-888-261-8181.
Do you have heart failure and often hear?
Those stomach issues ruined your birthday.
You're too tired to play catch, Grandpa.
Sweetie, you haven't touched your tools since the carpal tunnel syndrome diagnosis.
If these seemingly unrelated symptoms sound familiar, talk to your cardiologist. Ask about transthyretin amyloid cardiomyopathy, or ATTR-CM, a rare and underdiagnosed disease that gets worse over time. Learn more at connecttoyourheart.com. That's connecttoyourheart.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
When people have a craving to explore new and traditional Asian cuisines, they head to P.F. Chang's, where scratch-made dishes come from the 2,000-year-old tradition of wok cooking. P.F. Chang's wanted to explore new possibilities for their website. They turned to AmericanEagle.com. AmericanEagle.com re-architected P.F. Chang's website, integrating multiple third-party systems to create a unified digital experience. The results? Improved page speed and performance, personalized content based on users' location, intuitive online ordering, an increase in organic search visibility, and a 40% increase in new users. For scratch-made Asian cuisine, visit your local P.F. Chang's or go to pfchangs.com for website design, development, digital marketing,
red light camera ahead,
efficiency, revenue, and results. Visit AmericanEagle.com. P.F. Chang's at AmericanEagle.com. Another example of the best businesses in the world. Turning to the best in the business for websites, go to AmericanEagle.com or call 877-WEB-NOW1. That's 877-WEB-NOW1.
Coming up on KCBS, YouTube expands its reach into the streaming verse. More in 5 minutes. KCBS News Time, 11:15. Time now for sports. Game 3 of the World Series was a blowout tonight in Philadelphia. The host Phillies hit 5 home runs, beating the Houston Astros 7-0. The Phillies leading that best-of-7 series now 2-1. NBA play, Warriors lost again on the road, 116-109 at Miami. Hockey, Sharks at home tonight lost in a shootout to Anaheim, 6-5 the final score. We get more sports now from KCBS's Ted Ramey.
If we flash back to Monday afternoon, 49ers head coach Kyle Shanahan gave a very nebulous answer as to whether or not they were done with trades ahead of the deadline.
I think we're pretty set, but we listen to a call on anybody. We're never not going to listen to people, but I'd be surprised if anything goes down. But, until the deadline, we're always listening.
The audio from the 49ers day after the game presser on Monday afternoon. The 49ers did make one move on Tuesday at the deadline by moving running back Jeff Wilson Jr. to the Dolphins in exchange for a 5th-round pick. 49ers running back roster now consists of Christian McCaffrey, Elijah Mitchell, Ty Davis-Price, Jordan Mason, and Tevin Coleman, who is on the practice squad. Matt Mayoko of NBC Sports Bay Area is reporting that Elijah Mitchell told him he will be ready to go for the 49ers after the bye week, which is encouraging news. He's been out since the season opener in Chicago when he sprained his knee. 49ers are coming off a win in L.A. over the defending Super Bowl champions, the Rams, and they are getting healthier. They return to action on the 13th against the Chargers from Levi Stadium on Sunday Night Football. Other moves out of the NFL, the Steelers have traded wide receiver Chase Claypool to the Bears. The Bears sending a 2nd-round pick in the 2023 NFL Draft to the Steelers, and the Dolphins have traded for Broncos linebacker Bradley Chubb for a package of picks that includes the 2023 first-round pick that Miami acquired from the San Francisco 49ers in 2021. At the sports desk, Ted Ramey, KCBS.
Fremont Bank. If there's one thing we understand more than anybody, it's that it takes a local bank to really get the needs of local businesses. And more than anything, local businesses need access. to a knowledgeable banker and access to a full suite of business services. Can't come to the bank? We'll come to you. Our devotion to our clients ensures your business never misses a beat. That's why Fremont Bank remains
Red light camera ahead.
local and family-owned businesses. Learn more at fremontbank.com. Member FDIC.
Have you heard? The Mark Thomas Home Quitting Business Sale in Santa Clara is happening now. It's the final weeks and everything must go. Savings up to 78% off all famous name furniture, mattresses, and handmade rugs. Famous names like Burkhart, Century, Stickley, and many more. All sold on a first-come, first-served basis. Time is running out. Even the fixtures are for sale. Come in today and shop over $18 million worth of inventory. Luxury furniture, great pricing, and tremendous inventory here now. Come see us today at 1231 Comstock Street in Santa Clara. Mark Thomas Home Quitting Business Sale happening now.
We are just days away from the midterms, and there's no doubt the issues in our local elections have far-reaching implications for the Bay Area. We're breaking those issues down on The Homestretch, Odyssey's new original podcast. I'm KCBS political reporter Doug Sovereign. Subscribe to The Homestretch for a 15-minute download on the most pressing issues on this year's ballot. Download the Odyssey app and follow KCBS, and listen to The Homestretch on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Navien tankless water heaters, the proven leader in condensing technology. Request a Navien because you deserve the best in endless hot water delivery. Learn about Navien's condensing tankless water heaters and find a Navien contractor at tanklessmadesimple.com.
Back we go to the KCBS Traffic Center for a late-night check of the roads with Carolyn Burns.
And for the moment, we're fairly quiet in the Bay Area, but if you're in the Fremont area on southbound 680 just before Highway 238, well, just keep your eyes open. We do have possibly a car bumper that might be in the second lane from the left. We do have some road work going on in Cordelia. It's on eastbound 80 in between Red Top Road and the 680 exit. The 3 right lanes are closed for some pavement work there. Also in Sausalito, 101 southbound, 3 left lanes are closed from Spencer Avenue to just before the Golden Gate Toll Plaza. We are seeing a little bit of sluggish traffic once you do get on the span. Chain controls, yes, are in effect in the Sierra on 50 from 3 miles east of Kybers to Myers, on both directions of 80 from 2 miles east of Baxter to the Donner Lake Interchange, and on 88 from Peddler Hill to the Amador-Alpine County line. Your next traffic update is at 11:28 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Your KCBS 6-day forecast calls for a chance of showers on Wednesday, highs mid-50s to low 60s. Sunny skies Thursday and Friday, but then a chance of showers Saturday through Monday, and we can certainly use that rain. Highs mostly upper 50s to low 60s. Right now in San Francisco, Burlingame, and Concord, it's 52 degrees. In Cupertino, 48 degrees. In Cotati, 46 degrees. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. KCBS News Time is 11:20. YouTube is officially throwing its hat in the arena of subscription streaming services. The online video giant is launching an online marketplace which would allow people in the U.S. to subscribe to streaming services like Showtime, Paramount Plus, directly through YouTube. This comes on the heels of the news that the NBA will start selling a package deal through YouTube to watch games on the platform. For more, KCBS's Patty Rising and Brett Burkhart spoke with CNET editor-at-large Brian Cooley.
My TV has the YouTube app, and right next to the YouTube app, it has the Showtime app. It's got the Paramount Plus app. My first question is, what's in it for services like Showtime or Paramount Plus to stream on a competitor's site?
Well, the bottom line is we're starting to see the bifurcation of the streaming world. This is expected for a few years, and that is there's going to be 2 or 3, maybe 4 big winners. We know who they are: Netflix, Amazon, Disney, Hulu, Apple TV Plus. And then there's going to be the rest that are second tier, and they're not small. When you talk about services like Showtime or Paramount Plus, which is Viacom and CBS, these are big, but they're not big enough. And these companies are, in a sense, capitulating and saying, you know what, we've gotten as far as we can, getting consumers to sign up directly. We need YouTube's marketing muscle to get more people.
So the business model is they are going to pay YouTube to put them on their platform.
That's right, Patty, and I don't know, I don't think it's been published what the details are. It could be a monthly cut of what you pay to subscribe. And by the way, there's no special discount here. If you pick up Showtime through YouTube, it's the same as